Asia's richest ditch US dollars for crypto, gold and Chinese assets, UBS reveals. Chinese assets. Crypto investment. UBS. Author. Jimmy Aki. Author. Jimmy Aki. About author. Jimmy has nearly 10 years of experience as a journalist and writer in the blockchain industry. He has worked with well-known publications such as Bitcoin Magazine, CCN, and Blockonomi covering news. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated. 22 hours ago. Why Trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards, focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. Key takeaways. This approach reflects a broader industry trend of using creative financing methods in the crypto space. The move illustrates both the potential rewards and inherent risks of tying corporate strategy closely to cryptocurrency markets. During a Bloomberg event in Hong Kong on Tuesday, UBS executive Amy Lowe revealed Asia's billionaires are yanking cash from the US dollar and investing in Bitcoin, gold, and Chinese assets. Lowe, who co-heads UBS's Asia-Pacific business, said growing geopolitical tensions and market swings are driving the shift. The move is important because Asia's wealth management industry is huge. The region held about $20.7 trillion in 2024 and is projected to expand to $37 trillion by 2029. UBS alone manages $678 billion in Asian assets. Since the bank advises most of Asia's billionaires, Lowe's insights reveal what the wealthiest investors are doing. Why Asia's wealthy are betting against the dollar. Asia's richest investors now invest more than 15% of their wealth in cryptocurrencies and gold. This marks a major move away from traditional US dollar investments. The trend shows growing trust in Bitcoin as a reliable asset, similar to how gold gained status during the 2008 financial crisis. A 2024 study by Aspen Digital revealed that 76% of Asia's family offices and high-net-worth investors hold digital assets, an increase from 58% in 2022. Many have boosted their crypto investments from less than 5% to over 10% of their portfolios. Singapore leads the shift, with 57% of wealthy investors planning to add more crypto in the next 2 years. The change reflects a bigger transformation in Asia's wealth management sector. Digital tools and AI-driven advice are reshaping how money is managed. The region's affluent class could see their wealth grow from $2.7 trillion in 2021 to $3.5 trillion by 2026, according to another report. Additionally, the turbulent US-China trade relationship has forced wealthy investors to rethink their plans. What started with President Trump's 2018 trade war grew even tougher during his second term. At their peak, U.S. tariffs hit 145% on Chinese goods, while China fired back with duties up to 125%. However, a diplomatic breakthrough on May 12, 2025, produced a tariff détente, with the U.S. reducing duties to 30%, while China lowered its impositions to 10%. This partial reconciliation has reignited interest in Chinese markets, particularly in technology, renewable energy, and consumer sectors that had previously suffered under maximum tariff regimes. We're seeing strong new opportunities in China again, said Christina Ouyang, who leads investment management at Morgan Stanley Private Wealth Asia. Morgan Stanley now advocates a diversified portfolio comprising 40% fixed income, 40% equities, 15% alternatives, and the remainder in liquid assets, reflecting a more risk-calibrated approach among Asia's affluent investors. Could China's market rebound spark a wider regional shift? Despite persistent economic and geopolitical disparities, gold has re-emerged as a premium asset class, propelling an extraordinary 25% surge in prices since January. This rally has delivered both substantial returns and portfolio stabilization during turbulent market periods. Simultaneously, cryptocurrency, particularly Bitcoin, has evolved from a speculative asset to a recognized digital store of value. Institutional engagement continues to accelerate this transformation, with Jay Jacobs, BlackRock's head of thematics and active ETFs, observing that numerous nations are actively diversifying away from US dollar reserves toward gold and Bitcoin. This parallel rise of traditional and digital safe haven assets coincides with shifting central bank policies across Asia. Recent IMF data shows the dollar's share of global foreign exchange reserves has declined to 57.4%, down from 70% 2 decades ago, while gold reserves among Asian central banks have increased by 23% since 2021. These macroeconomic shifts provide structural support for the asset reallocation trends observed among retail investors. Frequently asked questions. How major is the 15% portfolio shift to crypto and gold? This is a large sum and marks a structural change, as wealthy investors traditionally held less than 5% in alternatives. Many high-net-worth investors are increasingly moving towards alternative assets like Bitcoin and gold. Will other regions follow Asia's de-dollarization trend? Emerging markets like Latin America and the Middle East are already testing similar moves. Could US-China tensions reverse this asset pivot? This is unlikely to happen. The move to diversify into crypto, gold, and other assets is here to stay. This is because recent events have shown how risky it is to rely too much on any single investment. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar XRP price prediction. Here's when experts say $1,000 could become reality. Ripple behind Trump's XRP post. Could this controversy trigger a rally to $1,000? XRP price prediction. XRP price prediction. South Korean investors bet big on Ripple. Can XRP reach $5 in May? Price analysis. XRP price ready for comeback. Analysts see bull movement and strong potential for upward trend. May 4, 2025. By Arslan Butt. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. While Bitcoin dominates headlines, Ripple surges 8% this week. Can momentum push XRP past $2.50 resistance? 5 days ago. By Arslan Butt. Altcoin news. Ripple whale moves $782 million in XRP. How could XRP price react? 2 days ago. By Amin Ayan. Best crypto to buy now in May 2025. Top crypto to invest in. May 6, 2025. By Alan Draper. New cryptocurrency to invest in May 2025. May 6, 2025. By Inesis Tavares. 12 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Full presale list. March 3, 2025. By Medb Keely-Cuddy. 10 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in May 2025. April 13, 2025. By Elijah Rankovich. 13 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. May 5, 2025. By Inesis Tavares. What is the next big crypto to explode in 2025? September 11, 2024. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. October 19, 2024. By Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 28, 2024. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? August 28, 2024. By Ben Beto.